I put Caitlin up just so she could feel special and she's not left out. But she can't pull herself up yet. Say, that's okay. I'm right behind you. Joe hyper self. Look at her. Say, everybody think you fast, but they just don't know. In 3 years, you're going to be that hyper girl taking them pills. Huh. God forbid. Just playing, Coco. Let me kiss. Let me kiss. Dada. Give me another kiss. Dada. Give me a kiss. Look at that pretty mouth. Look at that pretty mouth. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Don't let go. Don't let go, Caitlin. Look at her. Calm down, Courtney. Save money to live better. Calm down. No. Look at her. Calm down, baby. I'm gonna get you. Uh-oh. Hold on, Caitlin. You're gonna fall. Look at her. What you trying to do? You trying to make her fall? You trying to help her? Oh, shucks. Oh, yay! Yay! Uh-oh, give mommy a kiss. Okay, say I'm okay. Say I'm good. I'm coming.